was interested in this grad program because of the diversity of the work offered here. It's fascinating work.
What you do here actually does make a difference.
I think the best bit about joining a graduate program is making good friends that you'll probably keep for the rest of your life.
At the department, we're looking for highly committed, highly energetic and enthusiastic professionals who will be able to help us to achieve what has been a long mission for this department, and that is to achieve a just and secure society. A just society promoting access to justice, a secure society strengthening our national security. The sort of issues that means graduates will potentially be involved in is extraordinarily broad, extraordinarily interesting and very important.
Yeah, the grad program's really exciting. You get the opportunity to do 3 4-month rotations in different areas of the department.
In a 12-month span, I crossed from criminal issues to international law to really key domestic policy.
I've worked on the government response to the Doing Time report, which was a report that looked at Indigenous youth in the criminal justice system.
I was involved at doing the initial draft to a paper that was going to be reported back to the UN.
I actually got seconded to the Department of Prime Minister and Cabinet, and I got to spend about 3 months up in the Senate as a parliamentary liaison officer.
It's been an absolute pleasure to come here where people do understand what it means and understand how having a life outside of work actually improves your performance at work.
I joined the Social Club Committee, which gave me an opportunity to help run our AGD ball last year, and I've also been involved in intra-departmental soccer and touch football competitions, which has been really fun.
Yeah, I'd like to say every weekend there's something, but it's pretty much every night there's something amongst the grads, whether it's dinner or going down to the beach in the summer, going to the snow in the winter.
It's not like you're one person in a big place. You actually meet a lot of people and you know what's going on. So I think grad programs are really good for your career advancement.
I wanted to do the grad program because it offered the best opportunities, I think, for training.
They stepped us through the process from policy development through to drafting legislation all the way through, which are key government skills. And the great thing was we were able to learn it from people who had such great experience in that over a long period of time.
Human rights public sector training course run by this department was an outstanding course as well. So the courses offered by experts within the department are some great courses to be involved in.
To pinch myself sometimes when I'm in a group of officers from across the department as to how fascinating the work they're doing is, how diverse and how socially engaged they are, and how progressive the work they're doing is.
I thought that not having a law background would be an issue, but once I actually arrived I realised that it doesn't really affect your ability to do work, and you've got the opportunity to really contribute and to really come up with new ideas, and that do in effect make a difference.
For someone that's a psych graduate, I'm still finding it very interesting, and the work's really fun.
And you're able to see the difference that you make in the lives of people out there in the community, and that's something that definitely attracted me to the department.
We like to get graduates with legal experience, but we also like to get graduates that come from a background in business or in science, the arts or in economics. And in addition, we're really interested in getting graduates with a variety of background, of diversity and of life experience. The department is a diverse organisation. It does do a range of important issues, and we're open to anyone who thinks that they can join with us and meet the challenges that we have. So if you're a graduate and you think that you want to make a contribution to Australia, and you think that an organisation like the Attorney General's and the work that we do is a way to do that, then please come and apply to us and come and be a graduate with us.